The Rafael Python is a family of air-to-air missiles built by the Israeli weapons manufacturer Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, formerly RAFAEL Armament Development Authority. Originally starting with the Shafrir series, the Shafrir 1 missile was developed in 1959, followed by the Shafrir 2 in early 1970s. Subsequently, the missiles were given the Western name of Python by the parent company for export purposes, starting with the Python 3 in 1978. Since then, it has been further developed and evolved into the Python 4, Python 5, Derby and also the SPYDER, an advanced ground-based air defense system. Currently, the missiles are in service with the armed forces of over 15 countries from around the world. In the 1950s, the Israeli Air Force submitted requirements for a domestically made air-to-air missile to promote domestic defense industry and reduce reliance on imports. RAFAEL Armament Development Authority was contracted to develop the Shafrir in 1959. The missile entered operational status with Israeli Mirage jets in 1963, but the IAF was unhappy with its performance and no air combat kills were achieved with it during the Six-Day War, kills being made with guns instead. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.